Europe is entering a new energy era. Voltage Group designs and builds the energy infrastructure to support its sustainable development. We're an experienced EPC contractor delivering complex energy projects across Europe. Since 2009, our focus has been energy infrastructure and renewables, solar, wind, energy storage, and grid modernization. With operational hubs in Poland and Ukraine, our reach extends across the EU. We handle the full cycle: feasibility, permitting, design, procurement, construction, commissioning, and long-term O&M. Our in-house engineering team ensures end-to-end quality control. Voltage Group combines global expertise, flexibility, and a strong commitment to sustainability. We are open to collaboration across Europe. Our projects are already operating in France, Poland, Latvia, Italy, and Spain. With offices in Vinnytsia, Kyiv, and Warsaw, we stay close to our partners and respond swiftly to market needs. We deliver turnkey solutions for developers, investors, and EPC companies, from concept to execution. Municipalities, industries, and developers choose Voltage Group as engineering partner to reduce energy costs, improve resilience, and meet carbon goals. By having all required expertise in-house, we deliver results in the shortest terms and the highest quality. Our team includes power and civil engineers, electricians, project managers, and service staff. We are also proud of our financial experts who help us deliver the highest ROI for our clients. Every cable, every panel, every switch, we manage it. We're structured for performance, scaled for growth, and driven by responsibility. Europe needs energy security and clean power, and Voltage Group delivers it. Let's build reliable energy systems that serve generations. Call us today or get to know us better at voltageedge.com.